Dear children, once again welcome back to online economics classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. Hope you all are fine. I have a question to ask you. What are the factors influences the quality of the population? Education or literacy, health and skill. One of the factor influence the quality of the population is health. So our next topic is health. Dear children, the health of a person helps him to realize his potential and the ability to fight illness. Health is an indispensable basis for realizing one's well-being. So that improvement in health status of the population has been the priority of the country. Let us study in detail. What were the steps taken by the government to improve the health condition of our population? Okay, let us study about it. Our national policy aims at improving the accessibility of health care, family welfare and nutritional services with a special focus on the underprivileged segment of the population. Our national policy aims at improving the accessibility of health care, family welfare, nutritional services on the underprivileged means lower segment of the population. Lower strata of the population. Okay, here you can see health infrastructure over the years. Primary health center and community health center. The number of primary health center and community health center in 2013 is 1,81,139. It is increased to 1,87,505 in 2017. Dispensaries and hospitals in 2013 is 29,274. It is increased to 31,641 in 2017. Beds in government hospitals also increased. Nurses in the hospitals also increased in 2017. Dear children, there are many places in India which do not have even these basic facilities. The government introduced several steps to improve the health condition of our population, but there are many places in India which do not have these basic facilities. What are the outcomes of these measures introduced by the government? These measures have increased the life expectancy to over 68.3 years in 2014. What is life expectancy? Average number of years that a person is expected to live, means life of a person. Okay. Infant mortality rate IMR has come down from 147 in 1951 to 34 in 2016. Infant mortality rate. What is infant mortality rate? It is the death of a child below 1 year of age. Crude birth rate have dropped to 20.4 and death rates to 6.4 within the same duration of time. What is birth rate? It is the number of babies born for every 1,000 people during a particular period of time. What is death rate? It is the number of people per 1,000 who die during a particular period of time. Reduction in infant mortality involves the protection of children from infection, ensuring the nutrition of both the mother and child care. Dear children, what is the importance of health? The health of a person helps him to realize his potential and the ability to fight illness. The next topic is unemployment. What is unemployment? Unemployment is said to exist when people who are willing to work at the going wages cannot find jobs. In India, we have unemployment in rural and urban areas. We can study in detail. What kind of unemployment exists in rural areas? Okay, in case of rural areas, there is seasonal and disguised unemployment. Okay, so what kind of unemployment exists in rural areas? Seasonal and disguised unemployment. First one, seasonal unemployment. Seasonal unemployment happens when people are not able to find jobs during some months of the year. People dependent upon agriculture usually face such kind of problem. That means people are not getting jobs during some months of the year. There are certain busy season when sowing, harvesting, weeding and threshing is done. That season only the people are getting job. Certain months do not provide much work to the people dependent on agriculture. Such kind of unemployment is known as seasonal unemployment. So what is seasonal unemployment? This is a situation when people are not able to find work or job during some months. Okay, this type of unemployment is known as seasonal unemployment. Next one, disguised unemployment. Okay, what is disguised unemployment? This is a situation where people appear to be employed, but actually they are not employed. They have agricultural plot where they find work. This usually happens among family members engaged in agricultural activity. The work requires the service of 5 people, but engages how many people? 8 people. Here, 3 people are extra. The work requires service of 5 people but engages 8 people. 8 people are working. 3 people are extra. These 3 people also work in the same plot as the others. The contribution made by the 3 extra people does not add to the contribution made by the 5 people. That means if 5 people are working or if 8 people are working, the total output is same. The field requires the service of 5 people and the 3 extra people are disguised unemployed. Such type of unemployment is known as what? Disguised unemployment. Okay, so what is disguised unemployment? This is a situation where people appear to be employed but actually they are not employed. Okay, such kind of unemployment is known as disguised unemployment. Dear children, what kind of unemployment exists in urban areas? Educated unemployment. In urban areas, educated unemployment has become a common phenomenon. Many youth with matriculation, graduation and post-graduation degrees are not able to find jobs. Matriculation means 10th or plus 2. Okay, those who are completed matriculation, 10th or plus 2, graduation, degree and post-graduation degrees are not able to find jobs. A study showed that unemployment of graduates and postgraduates has increased faster than among the matriculates. Educated unemployment happens due to low quality of education, whereby a person has not developed the skills properly, or the supply people with a particular educational qualification is more than its demand. Okay, the supply people with a particular educational qualification. Okay, if it is B.Ed, if it is M.A, anything, the particular educational qualification is more than its demand. Okay, the unemployment leads to wastage of manpower resources. People who are not an asset for the economy turned into liability. Okay, so unemployment leads to wastage of manpower. Let us discuss the employment scenario in the 3 sectors: primary sector, secondary sector, tertiary sector. First one, primary sector. Agriculture is the most labor absorbing sector of the economy. In recent years, there has been a decline in the dependence of population on agriculture because of disguised unemployment. Next one, secondary sector. But India can build maximum employment opportunities in manufacturing sector. The manufacturing sector requires large number of workers and can accommodate workers who are skilled, semi-skilled or unskilled. The sector provides full-time employment and can be regulated to provide maximum wage, healthcare provisions, etc. Okay. Next one, tertiary sector. In case of tertiary sector, various new services are now appearing like biotechnology, information technology and so on. Okay, now we discussed about the employment scenario in the three sectors such as primary sector, tertiary sector and secondary sector. Okay. Dear children, let me ask a few questions. What is unemployment? Unemployment is said to exist when people who are willing to work at the going wages cannot find jobs. What is seasonal unemployment? This is a situation when people are not able to find work during some months. Okay. Next one. What is disguised unemployment? This is a situation where people appear to be employed, but actually they are not employed. Dear children, today we studied about health and unemployment. I hope you understood this topic very well. URL related to this topic is attached. Watch the URL. This chapter is over. Okay. Notes and test questions are also attached. Complete your notebook. Attend the test paper very seriously. We can meet in the next session. Bye children.